welcome to Niagara Falls. If you are planning to visit Canada or you're already in Canada, then this is a must to go. Niagara Falls is the most popular tourist spot in Canada. According to Education Place, it is one of the 7 natural wonders of the world. The massive waterfalls are located on the border between the United States and Canada. But what are the things that you can do in Niagara Falls, Canadian side? Zipline. According to its website, soar 2,200 feet as you ride the zipline into the mist towards the Canadian Horseshoe Falls and get picture-perfect views of Niagara Falls. What else can you do? Ride the Hornblower Niagara Falls cruise, the Canada's most memorable experience where you can sail to the falls. People in red are Canadians while blue are Americans. This is a must-do signature attraction in Niagara Falls. Here is the bridge from Canada going to United States border. Now it's time for Clifton Hill attractions. There are lots of attractions you can find in this area, like mini golf courses, go-kart, wax museum, arcade, haunted houses, Ripley's Believe It or Not, and more. At night, it looks like Times Square in New York, but instead of having stores, Clifton Hills offers different entertainment activities for all ages. One of the most popular attractions in Clifton Hill is the SkyWheel. As written on their website, which I definitely agree on, the Niagara SkyWheel is totally unique sightseeing opportunity. SkyWheel's fully enclosed gondolas are each equipped with heating and air conditioning for year-round comfort and enjoyment. It will take from 8 to 12 minutes with spectacular aerial views for miles in every direction. Evening rides offer dazzling views of the glittering lights of Clifton Hill and the surrounding Niagara skyline. At this time, they stopped selling Fan Pass, which is a combination of different attractions in discount. And after everything, we need some dessert. Ice cream. Aside from seeing the majestic waterfalls, there are tons of things to do in Niagara Falls. We are hoping that you can visit Niagara Falls soon. And if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos. See you guys soon and enjoy!